Garrett Lund with the LundTeam here at an exciting opportunity in the heart of Alta Mira. This property has it all. As you drive in, we're going to show you the drone shot, the location of this property, bar none, 10 out of 10. You are literally walking distance to the Pacific Ocean, coaster commuter rail, shopping in any direction. As you step out right here, out your back gate, meandering footpaths all throughout the Alta Mira community, multiple pool and spa areas. This property has been meticulously upgraded inside and out. The backyard, all renovated, private wall, great sitting, low maintenance. The theme here was we don't need to maintain a lot of grass. It's got beautiful stamped concrete. And inside, awesome. Open floor plan concept, big open kitchen to the great room, high ceilings, 3 rooms, all remodeled bathrooms. It's got an attached garage, new windows. The list goes on and on. And what's really neat too about this floor plan is there's an attic area where you can walk up and literally drywall, insulate, and you've got a whole room. I think they're north of 300 square feet ability to add or just keep it as storage. Really neat floor plan. But we want to encourage you, get here. This is going to go fast. Give us a call, 760-438-0800, or visit us at LundTeam.com. Thanks for watching. See you here. Bye-bye.